good morning and good afternoon. It's morning for me, but otherwise if you're in another country and it's the afternoon, or if you're watching this a bit later in the afternoon, good hour or good morning. But aside from that, got a bit of a day ahead of us, so yeah, get back into it later. So just a bit more about today in general. It's a bit more cloudy and a bit windy, so I think the winds, I don't know, it feels like west for me, but I doubt it's west. It's probably like north or south. But otherwise, besides from that, it's a bit more windy than usual and cloudy and a bit wet. But a bit more today is I haven't ridden this thing for ages. So in the week when I go to school and come back in Arvo, I usually go for Arvo rides. So I've been getting back onto this thing because I haven't ridden it since, feels like years. Just feels really long since I've ridden this. And besides from that, it's just been ages since I've ridden this, because the story behind it is that I used to ride this a lot because I used to have a little BMX, but now, and then I got this for Christmas, I think it was, and I absolutely used it so much. It was my best. It just up leveled the riding and everything. It was just awesome just having it. It was just so much better having it here, just for me, because then I could get it for longer rides and stuff. It was so much more comfortable than a BMX. But yeah, and then I know this was like a couple of years later, I got my Julie, and once I got my Julie, I actually never rid this. I don't think I ever rid this for ages. But after I never rid this, I just never rid this because I had a better bike and I learned wheelies and I was learning so much more. And it was just so much better. Oh, the suckers on third runs. Yeah. But it's just so much easier. But yeah, but I sort of forgot what I was yapping about, but I don't even know what I was yapping about. I was focusing. But I'll go this way. But besides from that, I just got the Julie and I'm like sort of, that's all I rid, because it was just so much more easier to ride and stuff, and it was just a bit more convenient having gears and stuff. It was bumpy. And so I never rid this, and now I'm popping back on it. But one thing I didn't like about this is when I rid it so much, and once I got my Julie, the Julie was in good condition, but I'd use this so much that the rim, currently the rim is touching the frame, which is kind of funny, but it still works and stuff, but like it's more fun. But the other day I changed suspension and stuff, so I made it a bit more stiff. But yeah, I think just getting back on this morning, sort of enjoying it, because I know if I become bigger in the YouTube game and stuff, I'm just going to either rebuild it or just get a new one. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but it sort of depends, because like, just, yeah, it's a bit annoying, but there's a contract over there. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm definitely trying to get back used to riding this and stuff, so you'll see a lot more vlogs on this, which will be cool for me. I don't think anyone's here, which is good and bad. At least not two people here. Actually, it's just not me. I reckon it's though. Be a bit annoying because it's not very bad enough to see it, but not really funny. There's like a little bit of white there, there's a couple of people over there, but otherwise, yeah. Enough from the yapping. Thanks for my 11 subscribers. If you're watching this and you are a subscriber, thank you heaps. And I just want to thank like everyone. It's a dream to even have like 10 subscribers and just be posting and stuff. So one thing I have learned is to drop in heaps better. So now I can drop in like this, sort of jump out and stuff, which is cool. But otherwise, get back into riding, which is good on this thing. And yeah, so that's going to be later, that massive ramp. It doesn't look massive on the GoPro, but it is. So yeah, clips in, please subscribe. The little, I'm trying to get this here, which is kind of sketchy. You want to try driving, and out here, it's a bit more harder. Definitely feeling it now. Can't really do no footage on it, but besides, it's just so what happens. You might be asking what's the setup today, or what's the bike today. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a Norco ride with maxis in the front, maxi tires in the front, seat feels really good, got new grips way ago, good brakes, I like my brakes, yeah, that's the setup sort of. I'll film it later, but if you want to see what it looks like, it sort of looks, and what my dually looks like, I've got a video on my channel, it's called Blackhead, it was like smiling face. Watch that if you want to know it. Jump out the hole, but showing which level is the best. So level 1, simple to nice and simple. Fun just to bigger air, very good to jump out the hole. And level 3 is up next. We've got 4 levels, so we're almost there. So now we got shark. Good. Jump out that. And then level 4, the big. Before we do level 4, I'll warm up. I'm going, drop out, pedal, and up. Okay, so this is the one. Level 4, here we go. Quickly speed over here. We got this, okay? Here we go. Oh my god, that was bad. I pedaled too much. I've got a clip. I might be able to put it in the channel, but I've got a clip of one of my mates filming. And yeah, I definitely look way more comfortable than what I just did, because I have not warmed up. That is guaranteed, I have not warmed up. I only just got in now. So I'm going to shred this a bit more. I might do a time lapse, see how that looks. Post that and then get you guys comments and head to the pump track for a bit. Oh. And yeah. Oh my god, it's really wet and my phone's about to fall out of my pocket. Not good at all. Keep going with our we're actually top. Sorry that I haven't been on pump track, I've been doing all the other stuff, but come at skate park if you want more skate park, or pump track for more pump, but otherwise keep going. was about to fall out. So I was missing, but yeah. From a skate park, I know I've said this, but skate park, you want more skate park and pump track, you want more pump track. But otherwise, if you just want more, and comment what you prefer, skate park or pump track. So wet. I'm like cross jumping, so sketchy. Manual. Oh my god. There's some more, feel like I'm gonna loop in. Holy crap. I'll put my phone down somewhere too. Manual this. Oh my god. And absolutely soaked. Well, I'm not soaked, but so wet. Like, do I even want to ride this? How wet it is? Like, it's so sketchy. I don't know if I'm gonna keep filming pump track for a bit more, then I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna post some shorts and normal vids with you. But yeah, so wet, bro. I'm gonna do two things this jump doubles, and I already forgot to put my phone out. My bad. Oh my god, it's so windy. Now I'm gonna come up here, quickly turn around, do it backwards. Oh my god, it's so wet. I was not gonna jump there. It's too wet, and then this hip. That's it for my vlog today. We'll do video in total, but besides from that, oh my god, it's like too wet to ride. It's like pump track. I mean, skate park's the only one that's like not wet, and the bowl, before they fixed up the drain, just used to always bloody gassed. Oh my god, like always used to never have water coming out of it. No, sorry, go in it, because like it would get some water to go down and just come back and just stop. No more water will want to go. And I remember one time we had like a series of storms just absolutely hammering where I live, and it was just like, it was just wild because there's so many like it was just so much rain. Pretty sure school got caught off, and it was like wild. Yeah, but now they fixed up the drain, so it's actually good now. And yeah, also comment if you like Julie more than the dirt jumper, or the opposite, and comment if you want me to ride my dirt jumper more than my Julie. Like if you just want to do riding vlogs where I ride around and sort of say stories, just say that too, because I can also do that. And just, yeah, it'll be fun. And you can ask like scary stories, not scary stories, but yeah, otherwise I'm straight home, and see you in the next one.